welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Hope you guys are all having a great day. You guys already know I'm in the Evo, so we're driving the Evo, so you guys know what that means. Trying to shift, vlog, and drive. Oh, I can't do it. I'm sorry, people, I'm sorry. I'm trying to vlog here, okay? So, we are installing the new part. It is a brand new, well, not brand new, but my buddy with the Evo 9 had it on his Evo, but he's now doing a full custom setup on his, so he no longer needs it, and it is a new O2 housing for an external dump. So now when I get into boost, instead of the exhaust gases running all the way back through the car, it's going to dump straight out of the turbo. So super excited. I hope you guys are excited. It's literally the first part I'm actually installing on the motor or to change the car. I might get a little bit of power out of it, probably not much. So once the car's warm, I'm gonna try and give you guys a good idea of what the car sounds like now, and then after we're done installing it, I'll give you guys another sound clip, and it should be absolutely mental. I heard it on his Evo 9, I'm sure it'll sound a little bit different on my Evo 8, but I'm so excited. So I hope you guys are excited for this video. If you guys are, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel so I can keep producing badass content on the Evo. Turn the AC off so I don't get robbed with power. So it's gonna be a little bit hard to hear, but we're gonna do a flyby and this pull for you guys. So let's see how she does. Pretty good. I mean, it's definitely loud. I'm sure from behind it's even louder, but once we put this new part on, it should absolutely sing. I bet outside the car it's gonna sound nasty, inside the car it's gonna sound nasty. So I am so excited. I cannot wait to install this part on my baby. So hope you guys are excited as well. I just got to Austin's shop and he is doing a full custom titanium setup on his Evo 9, and he was showing me with the titanium that if you get it to a certain temperature, it does this crazy blue purple. If you get it hotter, it changes to like orange or something. But look at how sick this is. This is just a little teaser. I'm gonna show you guys his entire build once it's done. But look at how sick that is. He's about to have probably the nastiest Evo 9 in the springs. So the car's still really hot, so we have to let it cool down before we can do anything. Dawson's testing the bolts, making sure that,
and I'm a little impatient.
making sure that they'll come off. But you said there is an aftermarket one, it's just not an open dump?
Right. So it's been off before, which is good news.
Sweet.
For these bolts.
Oh, we found another piece that we didn't know I had. That's like 185 bucks right there. An aftermarket wastegate actuator, Turbo Smart. But yeah, we looked it up, 185 bucks, so that's kind of cool. To replace the O2 housing, we have to take off the downpipe, sneak it past this lower intercooler piping, and then hopefully sneak it past the AC compressor. We'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully we can do it without taking that off, but if we do have to take it off, it's no big deal. So this is the stock one, or not stock one, but this is the one that we're taking off.
Yep, recirculating wastegate.
Nice. And then that's the big boy we're putting on. Oh, it's gonna sound so good, dude. A lot of people told me I'm not gonna like the way this sounds, but I've already heard it on Austin's Evo 9. And I know I'm gonna like it. Now the real test is gonna be trying to fit this in.
Sick.
Did it go?
Yep.
Dang. Well, Austin managed to get it on there. Look at that pretty thing down there. So now we just gotta get the 5 bolts back on and she'll be ready to go. Oh, and then the downpipe back on, and then we'll be finished. All right, guys, it's all finished. I'm so excited. We're gonna take it out for a rip here in a second, but you can see it right there. Ooh, let's go, I'm so excited. It's gonna be so loud. We're gonna get some drive-bys. Hopefully the drive-by that I put in the beginning of the video does it justice. Before, it's still pretty loud, especially from the outside, but now it's just gonna be obnoxiously loud. So I cannot wait. It's like 10:30 at night, but we just started it up, letting her warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna take her out and see how it goes. I'm so excited. We're gonna try and get some flybys tonight, but if we don't tonight, I'm gonna go back out tomorrow and have somebody film some flybys, and then I'll do some in-car stuff, so hopefully you guys will get a good idea of how the Evo sounds, but it's going to absolutely rip, and it's gonna sound so good. So I'm so excited, let's go. All right guys, got the camera mounted. I'm so excited, dude. Oh, this is gonna be so dope. Do a nice little pull. I like know what to expect, but still kinda, I don't know, kinda nervous for it. I think it's good to open up right here.
Yep.
Dude, that's so sick. Oh, dude, that's so dope. I love it.
Sounds good.
That's so sick. Just oh man, I love it. Dude, and people said I was gonna hate that. That's so sick.
It's not that loud.
No, honestly, it's like perfect. Oh, I'm in love. Oh, that's so sick. Dude, that was so nasty. That's so sick. Oh, I love it. Now I'm gonna want to floor it all the time,
Gonna get that wastegate opening.
dude. Dude, that's so, oh, that's awesome. Let her eat again. Oh, I feel bad for the neighbors. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I'm out of here. Dude, that's so sick. Oh, that'll never get old. Dude, that's so fun. Oh my god, I love it. Dude, my cheeks like hurt because I'm smiling so hard. That's sick. Oh, I love it, dude.
Woo! It's loud.
So I came over to my boy Nate's house and he just picked up a ton of Adams Polishes stuff. So look at all this. He's got the clay bar. We clay barred the Evo. It's got the tire shine, all-purpose cleaner. We've got the leather and interior cleaner. We used a little bit of that. I don't think maybe we used some of that. I don't know. And then Eco Wheel cleaner. But yeah, he picked up a ton of stuff. Absolutely killed it. So if you guys are in the Colorado Springs area and want your car detailed, I'll show you some of the work. Nate absolutely killed it. Has the Evo looking basically brand new. Look at this thing. Don't mind the energy drink on the top of the car, but yeah, did really good. So thanks, bro. If you guys want a detail, I will post his Instagram up on the screen and hit him up. And he's also got a sick ass Mercedes. What year is this? It's a 2015 E63. Is it the S or just E63? Bi-turbo V8, and this car is mental. You guys have seen it here on the channel, but if you wanted to know who drove it, it is Nate. So if you guys want to follow along this car, and he's going to be getting some type of project car here soon. So if you guys want to follow him, I'll throw his Instagram up. Well, we made it back home. Evo is all clean. New O2 housing is installed. I didn't show you guys, but I'll show you guys right now. We are planning on maxing out the Evo 9 Turbo, and my buddy Austin actually went ahead and wired this in so we can actually read the air to fuel. So now that we can log that, we should be tuning the Evo. So the next video, watch out, because it is gonna be us maxing out this turbo and getting as much power as we possibly can out of it. So, new O2 housing, I am so in love with. It sounds so good. I just fall more in love with this car every single day, every single time I drive it. I love my Evo. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, leave a like, smash the subscribe button. Go give Nate a follow because he fully detailed my car, clay barred it for free. He's a beast. He's really good at what he does. And the Evo basically looks brand new. I mean, you can literally see the reflection of me in the carbon fiber. Look at that. Look at that carbon fiber, dude. That's nuts. So huge shout out to my boy Nate. Thank you so much for detailing my Evo. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be wondering what O2 housing that was. That is an MAP Performance O2 housing. I'll try and post a screenshot of the part up on the screen, but it is MAP, and that is what we installed. We did do the heat wrap on it while it was already on, just to kind of keep temperatures down, and it sounds so good. So hopefully the video did it justice, and I hope you guys are excited for more plans with the Evo. I do have a new car coming. I am selling the Subaru. You guys are gonna hate me, but I think you're really going to enjoy the new car that will be here on the channel. So stay tuned for that, smash the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.